Need a YouTube profile picture? Well, lucky for you, making one has never been easier. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at creating a YouTube profile picture using a YouTube profile picture maker. You can do it all from the comfort of your browser, whether you're an experienced designer or a total beginner. Let's dig right in. We're going to take a look at Placeit, an awesome online tool for creating all kinds of mockups, designs, and more. You can sign up for free. Start by mousing over Designs at the top of the screen. And then, click on YouTube Profile Pictures. Yep, there's a section for that. In fact, there's a lot of logo design content here to see. We can start off by typing in the name of our channel right here, or we can browse categories over here in this drop-down, or we can just scroll through and have a look. And there's a lot to look at here. Check it out. But this is more than just choosing a template and adding your name. We can really dig in and customize things here too. For example, check out some of these sample customizations when we roll over these designs. Cool, right? Let's select one and dig into some of the tools. So here, for example, let's change the background color. I'm going to work with a dark teal color. In this template, we can add a gradient overlay on top of our background color too. I'm going to choose this pinkish purple one. We can change the text right here. Change it to whatever you like. Change the font, change what it says, change the color. I'm going to change the color of the second line here to a light blue color for sake of example. I'll remove the tagline by clicking on the checkbox right here. All gone. Let's choose different imagery. We can add more imagery up here. We could select no image to remove an image, or custom image if you'd like to upload your own. In this case, I'm going to choose a stock image that's already available here. Now that I've selected one, let's change it to a dark purple color. We can also click and drag to move and resize aspects of our design. Let's adjust the imagery a little. As you can see, there's a lot of things we could do here, so dig in and have fun with it. Once you're happy with your design, click Download right here and choose the option right for you, a one-time fee or a subscription that lets you create and download to your heart's content, with commercial use and high-resolution files too. So let's say you've come up with a design you love. Let's take a look at getting that icon active and onto your YouTube channel. Looking at YouTube, click on the icon at the top right corner of the page. Then just click on your existing icon. This will take you right to your Google account settings, where we're prompted to upload a new photo. Navigate to the folder where you saved your new YouTube profile picture on your computer. Then select it. Google lets us crop the photo if we need to. Then click Done. It's as simple as that. Now if we go back to YouTube, you'll see we have our new icon. So what kind of YouTube profile picture would you like to make? Let us know if you gave Placeit a try. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and happy designing!